Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So first up we have someone making a Christmas ornament, but I thought that this idea was really cool. You could actually implement the same design and aesthetic and make like a really nice looking piece of art with this same concept. Take the toilet paper roll, cut it up, make the little floral pieces or snowflake design and spray paint it gold and frame it. Like, how cool would that be? You can also make ornaments too if you want, but I thought that would look really cool framed. And then we have a beaded light design. So I've been seeing a lot of like chandelier style DIYs. Most of them feature the tassels. So I thought that this was cool, seeing it with the wooden beads. I like their color scheme that they did with this. Wow. Very nice. So there she is hanging it up. That looks so good. Looks so professional too. Disco ball planter. This is another one of those like huge TikTok trends. Disco. You can also save yourself some money and probably just buy your own like styrofoam sphere and then put the little disco mirrors on there yourself and make your own planter versus buying one already made and then cutting it. But it's really up to you. But this is really cute. And then the sun is going to reflect off of that and just bring in this amazing lighting. Very cool concept. Alright, so we have an upcycle here with these old containers or vases. And now that it's getting warmer outside, you can find a lot of stuff that you can DIY at garage sales. Oh. So they're bending this old hanger around the bottle. Oh, so that's where they're gonna put like their plants. Oh, that's pretty cool. So they can grow them indoors. Very nice. I thought for sure they were just gonna like spray paint the bottles, but they put it to another use. Cool concept. And then we have some artwork here. Ooh, look at the gold foil. Oh, I am loving this color scheme. This is beautiful. Wow, and everyone's making their own artwork these days. So cool. Love her whole like vibe and aesthetic with her decor. then we have another artwork piece. Now this is a really cool design, and it's so simple too. Alright, and then we have a floral centerpiece DIY. Now this is a really simple design, just something nice and fresh for your home with a baby's breath. Looks so relaxing. Oh, I really like that table. And then we have a furniture flip. I love looking at these, but honestly, they look like so much work. But I like the idea of being able to make your own like customized furniture. I just think that that is just an amazing concept. Oh, marble contact paper to the top. Very nice. Oh, that is gorgeous. Wow. Amazing. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.